In this all-important clash, it is Bangladesh A that will be coming out to bat. It remains unchanged and Habibur will be the focus. Same is the case for India A. Jitesh Sharma has an unchanged side to contend with. Gurjapneet would be effective with Ishan Alam. Comes out into the middle. His 26th match of his T20 career will be this man, Habibur Rahman Sohan. We know he has the ability to take the game away from any opposition. Straight up, an appeal. Perhaps a little high. Just jabbed at it. Vaibhav Sooryavanshi there. Was going towards mid-wicket. It went towards third man. For that top edge. Again goes for the Hoik. Plays and misses.
In this
There you go. That's the threat he will carry. Goes across once more. There's no second slip. Yes, it goes for a boundary. Much straighter this time. Clean connection. One bounce for. Take that. That is humongous. Ball coming onto the bat, and you saw that right now in the last 2 overs. We already highlighted how precise and devastating. Vaishak comes in, starts off with a fuller delivery. Gurjapneet has to mop it up. Harsh Dubey with his left arm orthodox spin. Righties, not a bad idea. Picked it up. A little fuller this time. Today is not about talent, is it, Manipa? It's about mentality as impressive. Better delivery, much better delivery to end the over. At the end of 4, it's 43 without loss. Pretty neck and neck when it comes to 4s and 6s. Plays towards mid-off, that's clutched! Watchful 26 of 23. Only his 8th match in his T20 career. So one of the... Back foot punch, tries to go past the infield. Vaibhav Sooryavanshi, good fielding.
Room. Oh, that's an expensive shot. A very good fielding. Certainly saved 3 runs there. That had 4 written all over it. Fielders in the better off, just like that. The ball is there. Just play on its merit for a little while rather than from
coming in. Goes for that big one. Long on fielder. Could watch that go sail over for maximum.
Shot again. And finds the field at cow point. That's a length, Ramandeep.
You look at the numbers, you see more often the teams have one chasing it. And then...
Goes for the googly. Goes behind square on the leg side.
They can go as far as 202 if they score at 12 from here.
Again a googly. Goes wide. He bisects those deep fielders. You talk about mid-wicket, forget. Yeah, the spinners have certainly been effective when it comes to the economy rate. Solitary wicket for Harsh Dubey. So yeah, still looking. Big appeal. Big appeal. And this was Habibur.
Okay, there you go. Finally, finger raised. Siyash gets the breakthrough. Gets the wicket.
119 for 4. His 24th match. A strike rate of 96 isn't something to write home about. Ooh. There you go.
Gurjapneet starts with a wide. Drifting away from the right hander, maybe.
61 he is. Might as well keep going for the sake of his side.
Pitching outside the leg stump. Third man in the circle. Any top edge behind square will be a boundary. Not where.
The angle of the delivery, taking the outside edge. Good thing is that he went into the stroke, fully committed to it.
Just like that. Well done. An easy catch. And well done to Jitesh Sharma and
Gurjapneet. Shot with one hand. Probably didn't get the length And well, his reaction is what the all
Choices in the middle. Experienced man, Yasir Ali. 128 games, 14 half centuries. And always a cameo. On the leg side again. And umpire. What a good over by Namandir. Under pressure, ball in the 17th over. Perfect Yorker, right on the money. 2 says Merob. And Yasir Ali responds. He comes back.
they might.
Yorker again. It's the length about 6 inches, but Mehrab Hussain couldn't get the timing or the placement right.
Pulling it all back.
Right arm quick. It would have been very, very consistent. Should be just a single. Land is quite clear for Gurjap. Short delivery. Set up. And he times it over long on. Namandeep. Shot. Things finds the fielder and long off. No, evades him. That's an excellent connection. Thought for a second long off fielder was in place for that catch. This is the difference. Confirmation by Mehmood Khan from Afghanistan. It's a 6 and brings up the 150. Bowling it slower, pulling the length back.
It's good from the bowler because he...
Reverse hit. Sweeper cover fielder. He does the Mehrab Hussain. He's turning the heat on.
With the spin is the key here. With the spinner towards the end of the innings can be a possible threat to yourself. And that is why I said the option is crossed already.
Bowling a part-timer in the death overs. Full toss. Short finding in place. Evades him and should be a boundary. Good choices made. Reverse it again. Make it another maximum. 4 sixes in the 19th over. 4 sixes and a boundary has got Bangladesh to 172 for 6. Walked outside the off stump. Yasir Ali. I don't think the umpire can call it a wide. Shot. Short fine leg. Short square leg in place. Yasir Ali walks toward the off. Has to be a wide. Has to be a wide. Yeah. Hemanta Boteju calls it a wide. I think oh, square leg in place. He's in the circle, but this goes over him. Mehrab Hussain, both experienced men. It's been wonderful. Contribution 10 by Yasir, 39 by Mehrab. Even Vijay. Oh, extra cover, a go cow point, and finds the boundary again. That's another good hit.
Well, somehow we're unable to. 6 runs.
Short delivery. There's a fielder at deep square leg. It was a short delivery. They set up beautifully. Short delivery. And Mehrab Hussain, he picked the bounce out of that. The massive 2 overs. It was raining sixers. And clearly the momentum.